GLH, what does that stand for? Goes like hell. And behind me, we've got the Dodge Hornet GT GLH and the all-new Dodge Hornet RT GLH. Of course, that's going to be the plug-in hybrid. This is going to be the 2-liter Hurricane 4-based model. And basically what GLH is doing is showing off the new direct connection lineup of accessories and performance parts. This is a specific to Dodge division of Mopar. So you're going to get things like crate engines and chassis parts and just performance upgrades, stage 2 and 3 superchargers and things like that. So if you want that kind of accessory upgrade for your car, GLH is going to give you all of that access, and it's all very Dodge specific. So these cars are showing off some of those things you can get. As you can see, this one's all black, but we've got some striping going on over the hood. It goes all the way up the hood, over the roof, and onto the back of the tailgate. Got a red stripe right there. I'm pointing the wrong way. GLH up there. Still got the air vents that are active and working from the regular models. And we've got some unique wheel designs right here. These are 20s, still rocking the Brembo brakes from the GT, and they look really good. Some red accenting on the side down there. And then out back, unlike the regular GT, you do have exhaust ports. So if you want that on your GT model, you'll have to go the GLH route. Then right here is the RT. So this white one is showing off those same accessories and exterior upgrades, but much easier to see because this one is white. So as you can see, we got a black hood there, more of that striping going along the top, same really good looking wheels, and the interior is actually red. There's what that looks like. It's a little dark, but red leather is available with the GLH RT version, and looks pretty nice with all of the white and black going on the outside here. The GLH badge down there. The back still, of course, looks the same, but more of that striping, much more visual on this model. The exhaust that you get on all RTs still right there. But basically, yeah, this is showing off the future of what you can do accessory-wise with a Dodge model, and they're using the new Hornet to showcase a lot of those features. And I think if you want to take your Dodge Hornet to the next level of sportiness, this is the way to go.